know if you guys have ever been to the plane pull. I've emceed it a couple times. It is so much fun. So much fun.
It looks like it would be fun, too.
I feel like a day like today, too, would be pretty perfect for it.
Sunny,
exactly.
Not too hot. Yeah. I know. Saturday, unfortunately, will be a little sticky, which I feel like is not really the weather that you want to attempt to pull a plane.
No.
Luckily, we got till October 5th.
Exactly.
So we got some time.
Right.
Might have cooled off.
I don't know
by
why I
then.
was thinking it was this Saturday. I was like,
because we said Saturday with such importance. And we're on the holiday weekend.
I know. I feel like I'm just like jumping ahead into October at this point.
Don't do that.
I know. I will not. We have to hold on to summer a little bit longer.
Okay, just kidding.
But it's not quite summer. At least it wasn't earlier this morning. In fact, it was one of the coolest nights we've seen since the springtime. For a lot of us, low temperatures dropped down into the upper 40s, even down to 38 up in Holton. But we were able to bounce back into the upper 60s to lower 70s for a lot of us out there. However, this is still resoundingly below average. Our average high temperature is still 77 degrees. Closest to that was Calais, which got to 76 today. Now, because of the area of high pressure that we've had in control since yesterday, we ended up with another day of just brilliant sunshine. However, things are going to start to change as we get into the weekend. That's because as we get into early Saturday morning, we're going to start to see some fog developing and some more cloud cover. And that's going to be ahead of a cold front that's going to bring us some shower activity as we get into the weekend. So overall, the first half of the day of Saturday looks dry. More cloud cover than we've seen the past few days, but then we'll watch this cold front get a little bit closer, and kind of right after lunchtime, we'll see some of those showers move into the northern mountains. Could see some embedded thunderstorms here too, especially as we go into the second half of the day on Saturday. And then this front will continue to move across the state Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Some of these pockets of rain could be a little bit heavier and may cause some areas of isolated flooding, but mainly in areas that are prone to it. And then this front will continue to move through as you get into early Sunday morning, and I think most of us will be mostly cleared out before lunchtime. However, we will have some instability in the atmosphere in the second half of the day, so we might see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. However, most of us will be dry the second half of the day Sunday. And then we have a secondary trough that's going to go through Sunday night into early Monday morning, bringing kind of another round of shower and storm activity, although less than we would see Saturday night into Sunday. Then overall, the system moves out fairly quickly, and then we're able to get a little bit more sunshine and a little bit drier as we get into the day Monday. However, it'll be cooler and also a little bit breezy. So we kind of have a lot going on for this weekend, so I'll break it down. So the first half of the day, Saturday, looks pretty good. Then we'll see that cold front move through, and some showers and storms will pop up in the afternoon and evening, continuing overnight into early Sunday morning. Most of us will clear out by about lunchtime. Some pop-up storms possible in the afternoon there, but most of us will be dry. And then for Monday, it'll be the driest day of this stretch, a mixture of sun and clouds, but a little bit cooler and on the breezy side in the afternoon. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Ocean temp is 66. So as we get into the weekend, I kind of mentioned that there's a lot going on. It is the unofficial summer, so that means, of course, that we need a little bit of extra humidity as we get into the second half of the weekend, kind of going from sticky to humid. And then, guys, even as we go into next week, though, once that cold front will go through, we kind of go right back into the same pattern that we saw yesterday and today. Kind of cool, very comfortable, very September-like.
It's right around the corner.
I know.
All right, thanks, Dana.